Breath is power. Breath is power. You want to charge the battery every day. Now, charging the battery is a little bit what I said, is there's no point doing bus streakers and pumping the breath if you can't hold the charge, if you can't sit in it. It's better to work on the exhale and calm down the nervous system, to sit into, create calm, create peace, so that you can sit in and sit with that shadow, the bits of ourselves, that the edges that we polish. This is what we see on Instagram. Everyone's polishing everything. We don't see people as they truly are. You know, all those edges are taken off and it's filtered and it's all this stuff. There's a real movement back towards authenticity. But if you're going to charge up, you've got to be able to hold that and bring it into the world. If you can't, then don't charge. Don't teach it to your students, especially nighttime classes, charging energy, charging the cranking them up. We want to work more on the exhale, you know, more balancing nervous system, chilling out, coming down, easing into ourselves, settling into ourselves. Then the more you can settle into yourself, the more you can charge. The more that you can charge and settle into yourself, the more you build, the more you build. Then you become incredibly powerful energetically, but peaceful.